Lately, I keep hearing a variation of the same question from business owners. You're saying, I'm already overwhelmed. My team is overwhelmed. How do I use AI without creating even more overwhelm and complexity? I completely understand that. I mean, there seems to be a new AI tool every week with new promises, there's new apps, and there's new ways that we're supposedly supposed to work. And so it's very easy to feel like adopting AI is just becoming another full-time job. And as I'm preparing for a fully unplugged 6-week vacation from Tap the Potential, I've been thinking a lot about this because my goal isn't for us to use AI for the sake of using AI. My goal is to build a business where my team has more mental space to think and solve problems to improve our systems and create greater value for our top clients. And that's the opportunity that AI creates when we use it strategically. So many business owners think AI is about getting more work done. And I actually think it's about helping your people do more valuable work. And just think about your own day. How much time do you spend searching for information, writing emails, summarizing thoughts, creating first drafts, updating spreadsheets, scheduling appointments? Research shows that knowledge workers, that's us, spend up to 41% of our time on repetitive, low value, $10 an hour work. So imagine reclaiming even half of that time. Would you simply pile on more tasks? I hope not. Instead, I invite you to imagine your team using that reclaimed time to improve the customer experience, solve the problems before they become expensive, identify process improvements, strengthen relationships with clients, find ways to increase the profitability. Those are activities that move a business forward. And at Tap the Potential, we call those $10,000 an hour activities. These are activities that leverage your and your team members' strengths while making other work easier or unnecessary for yourself or others. This is more profitable work and it allows us to create more and more value. And as the business owner, your highest value comes from spending more of your time on these activities. But here's where this really gets exciting. Increasingly, this is becoming true for your team as well. So the goal isn't to make your team more efficient at doing busy work. The goal is to eliminate the busy work so your people can contribute at a much higher level. I'd love to hear from you. If AI could permanently eliminate one repetitive task from your workday, what would you get rid of? Share it in the comments. AI isn't valuable because it's the new, bright, shiny object. It's valuable when it creates the mental space for people to think, to lead, to innovate, and solve meaningful problems. That's how your business will become more profitable. That's how your team will become more engaged. And that's how you start reclaiming your time. And if you'd like to learn more about how to identify your $10,000 an hour activities and reclaim 10 hours of your week while working less and your business continues to grow, join us in the upcoming workshop at tapthepotential.com/jumpstart. I hope